Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to put in an NZXT Kraken. First, carefully unbox your cooler and ensure all parts are included, such as the radiator, fans, and mounting hardware. Next, take a moment to review your motherboard's manual to identify the correct CPU fan and AIO pump headers. This preparation ensures a smooth installation process. Also, confirm you have a Phillips head screwdriver and any additional thermal paste if your cooler doesn't have it pre-applied. Getting everything ready beforehand saves time and prevents frustration. Now, let's get the radiator and fans ready. First, attach the fans to the radiator using the longer fan screws. Pay attention to the fan's orientation for proper airflow, whether you want it as an intake or exhaust. Next, mount the radiator to your PC case. Top mounting is often recommended, but front mounting is also common. Secure the radiator to the case using the shorter case screws and washers, ensuring it's firmly in place. Double-check that the tubes are positioned correctly to avoid kinks. With the radiator in place, it's time to install the pump. First, attach the appropriate standoffs to your motherboard around the CPU socket. If your cooler has pre-applied thermal paste, remove the protective cover. Carefully lower the pump block onto your CPU, ensuring it aligns with the standoffs. Secure it using the 4 thumb screws, tightening them in a diagonal or cross pattern for even pressure. Finally, connect the pump's 3-pin power cable to your motherboard's AIO pump or CPU optional header. Almost there. Connect your radiator fans to the pump's fan splitter cable or directly to available motherboard fan headers. Then, plug the pump's USB cable into an internal USB 2.0 header on your motherboard. This is crucial for software control. Finally, check all connections one last time before powering on your system. By the way, life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. You can find a link to that and other great deals in the description below. Once powered on, install the NZXT CAM software to monitor temperatures and customize your cooler's RGB lighting. Enjoy your new, efficiently cooled system.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.